Morning students. Today we have start with the question number 3. Yesterday we have done up to question number 2. Now today I am start with the question number 3. So what is the statement of question number 3? Listen carefully. Express the following in the form of P by Q where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. That means you have to represent the following numbers in a form of P by Q where P and Q both are integer. Integer means it should be negative, it should be 0 or it should be positive, but it cannot be a decimal expression like 2.3, 2.5. It should be integer. So I will start with the first part, 0.6 bar. Now see the solution of this question. 0.6 bar. First you will let it is equal to x is equal to 0.6 bar. Bar represent the number will repeat so many times. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 up to so on. Let us suppose this is equation number 1. Now here number of repeating units are only 1. Only 6 number is repeating here. See on the right side only one number is repeating after decimal 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. That means same unit is representing after a decimal. If one unit is representing, same one unit is representing on the right side, then we have to multiply by 10. If two same units are repeating after decimal expansion like 272727272727, then we have to multiply with 100. If three same unit are repeating after decimal point, then we have to multiply by 1000. When I will multiply both side by 10, then 10 multiply by x, on this side 10 multiply with 0.6666 and so on. 10x means 10x. When 10 is multiplied with 0.6666, then 1 6 comes at the unit place, so it will come 6.666 and so on. Now we have to subtract 1 and 2. When I will subtract 1 and 2, left will subtract from left side, right will subtract from right side. 10x minus x, here 6.6666 so on, minus of 0.6666 and so on. When I will subtract 6.6666 so on, minus of 0.666 so on. When I will do subtraction from the back side, it will come 0 0 and here I get only 6. So it comes x is equal to 6 upon 9. X is equal to 6 upon 9. It will 3 to the 6, 3 3 is the 9. So x comes out to be 2 by 3. What is x? 0.6 bar. So it will be in form of P by Q where P is integer and Q is a integer. So in this way you can solve the question. Now see the second part. Here you have to represent 0.47 bar. Here bar only on the number of 7, not on the 4. So that means 7 will repeat several times. So let us suppose x is equal to 0.7 bar. This is equal to 0.47777777. First you have to make in the form of like 4.777 because I want 7 will be repeating after a decimal point. Now multiply by 10 on both sides. Here will be 10x. Here when I multiply with 10, then it will be converted into 4.77777. So this is your equation number 1. Now this is your actual question like in previous question. After decimal expansion we have a repeating number. Again we have to multiply by 10 because only one number is repeating after decimal expansion. So 10x multiply with 10 on the right side, 10 multiply with 4.7777. 10 multiply by 10 gives 100. 10 multiply with this, that is 47.777. Similarly now we will subtract 2 and 3 not using 1 because in 1 units are not same like. So 100x minus x is equal to 47.777 minus 4.777. Whenever doing subtraction, minus sign, here 0 0 0 will come, 0 0 0, here 43. So 90x equal to 43. So x will come out to be 43 by 90. What is the value of x? 0.47 bar. 0.47 bar is equal to 43 by 90. So in this way you can express the following expression in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integer. Now see the third part. 0.001 bar. Here 3 units are repeating. 001, 001, 001. So let us suppose x is equal to 0.001 bar. So it means 0.001, 001, 001, 001. Here see 3 units are repeating after several times and so on. Now here I will multiply with 1000 because 3 units are repeating. So I want here 1 at the first place. So multiply with 1000. 1000x is equal to 1000. Multiply by 0.001, 001, 001 and so on. So 1000x, when I will multiply 1000 with 001, then it comes 1.001, 001 and so on. Now subtract 1 and 2 number equation. Left will subtract from left side and right will subtract from right side. So 100x minus 1000x minus x is equal to 1.001, 001 minus of 0.001, 001 and so on. When I will doing subtraction, it will come 1. So x comes out to 1 upon 999. So what is x here? 0.001. So it will be equal to 1 upon 999. So in this way you can solve the questions. Now see question number 4. Express 0.999 in the form of p by q. Are you surprised when your answer with your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense? Now in this question you have to represent 0.999 is in the form of p by q. The solution of the question. Here x will be equal to 0.99999. That means 9 is repeating several times. So here only 1 unit is repeating. So that's why we have to multiply with 10. So both sides multiply with 10. 10x equal to 10 multiplied by 0.99999. So 10 multiply with this. It comes 9.999. Here 10x. Now subtract 1 and 2 number equation. 10 left will subtract from left side and right will subtract from right side. 10x minus x. Here 9.999 minus 0.999. 10x minus x is 9x. 9 minus this, it will be 9. X will be come out to be 1. Why its answer is 1? We have 0.99999 and so on. We know that if unit will be bigger than 5 or equal to 5, then we will add the 1 in the previous term. So 0 plus 1 gives 1. So that's why its answer is 1. See question number 7. Question number 5. What can the maximum number of digits be in repeating block of the digit decimal expansion of 1 by 17? That means you have to find in this question the number of repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17. That means you have to find the number of repeating units, how many numbers will repeat after a particular decimal expansion. Now see, first we will divide 1 by 17. Now see the division. Now this is the solution of the equation. When I divide 1 by 17, I will get 0.0588235294117647 and so on. Because when I was doing division, I start with 1. After a several times of division, at the end I will get 1. Here I get 1 again. That means same division will repeated. So that's why 1 upon 17 is equal to 0.0588235294117647 bar. So that's mean here 16 digits are in repeating block. 16 digits are in a repeating sense in the expansion of 1 upon 17. Now leave your question 6 number and 7 number. Write down question number 8. Find the 3 different irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now see, 5 by 7. When I divide 5 by 7, then answer will be 0.714285 bar. That means this unit is repeating after a several number of steps. Similarly, here when I will divide 9 by 11, after doing calculation I will get 0.81 bar. Now see here, question is 0.714285 and here is 0.81 bar. Now you have to choose any three irrational number between them. Now here start with 0.71, so I will take 0.72750 like this. The three irrational numbers are 0.750, 7500, 75000. Similarly, you can take 760, 76007, even 790, 7900, 79000. In this way, you can take any type of the rational numbers. But these rational numbers are lie between 0.71 bar to 0.81 bar. Question number 8. Classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. You have to classify the given expansions are rational or irrational. See the first part, under root of 23. It is a square root of the prime number. Square root of the prime number is always a irrational number. 2 to 5 square root. When I will solve the square root, I will get 15. So I will represent in the form of 15 by 1. So it is a rational number. 0.3796. When I remove the decimal, I will get 3796 divided by 10,000. So it is also a rational number. 4.748, 478, 478. That means the same repeating unit. So it is a non-terminating reoccurring decimal expansion. So it is a rational number when same number of repeating units are there. So that's why it is a rational number. In question number 4 you have already done, or in 3 you have already done, same repeating units are there. So we will represent there as a P by Q form. 1.101 they see no same repeating unit. Here 10, here 00, here 000, 4 times, and so on. This process is going on. It is non-terminating, non-reoccurring decimal expansion. So it is a irrational number. So in this way you can find the different kinds of the numbers. So your exercise is completed. By tomorrow we will start the new exercise. So complete it on that time.